Okay guys, so today's wig, I'm going to be unboxing it. I just want to brush my edges back before I do anything, especially because I want to put on the wig before I actually do my makeup. Okay guys, so today's wig is UNice hair. They actually sent me over their new Pre-everything wig, and this is their new 2024 wig. So they call it Pre-everything because they have it pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and everything for you. They're giving you the versatility of a frontal with the convenience of a closure. So I'm going to unbox it for you right now, and then I'm going to put it on, and then I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the specs on it. So it did come with this bag already on top of it, and this one is actually a reddish brown wig. And then every one of their Pre-everything wigs come with some of these tapes. So I will be trying out these tapes today. I tried it before, but not with this company, but it wasn't sticking. And I'm going to make sure this time that I clean my skin very good before I put it on to see if that will help it to stay. And there's a wig cap. Just this like pamphlet. And they give you a little bag with some more goodies. It has some nails, a headband, and 2 stickers that say UNice on them. Okay, so this wig is basically for anybody that's tired of wearing closures. You want that versatility of having like a frontal with the side areas, but you also want it to stay down and be secured. This is supposedly supposed to be the wig for you. They have it already pre-cut. So this is how the inside of the wig looks. It has the tape already. It has the lace going all the way back here. It has an 8-tooth comb in the back to make sure that it's stuck. And then it has the adjustable band right here. So this is supposed to be able to fit your head, even if your head is extra small up to an extra large. This wig is supposed to fit you because it is stretchy all the way through. And it does have this grip band right here. Okay, so I'm going to just put it on my head right now, just without any lace product. And this is how it looks straight out of the packaging. And the difference between this one and the closure is gonna stop right here, and you're not gonna have all this extra hair to be able to play with. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this wig. I'm not gonna talk through this part, it's pretty self-explanatory, and then I'll come back to tell you guys some more about this wig.
I could blame it on the physical, I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me. But it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, I go where I want. Just some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. My killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel.
Will you be my leading lady? I wanna coach you and get a little maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going well.
get some me time.
You know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going where I want it.
get some me time.
You do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going where I want it.
get some me time.
You do what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself.
I forgot to put my wig band into the wig, but the wig does come with those slots to put the extra band. This one, I just forgot to put it in, but it feels very secured. Like, it doesn't feel like it's gonna fall off. That's why I just tightened the band at the back, and that was good. I can't find my spray bottle, so I'm going to just go over the sink and wet the hair down, and then I'll come back and put my mousse and moisturizer and stuff. Okay, so I kind of semi-wash the wig a little bit, so I'm gonna go in with some of this Curl Glam from Shea Moisture, and I'm gonna put that all over the hair. I wanted to try out two styles, so I'm gonna show you how you could do, like, how it looks in a middle part, and I'm also gonna show you how it looks in the C-shaped side part. Because since it's like a frontal, you literally can do so many styles with it. You can do updos, you can do straight down, you could do ponytail, and I definitely want to do some finger coils. So this is how it looks, just wet, but I want to do finger coils. Oh, also this is the parting space, so it goes all the way back here, and if I want to do a C shape like that, period. But I literally want to do a middle part today, and I want to do some finger coils. So hold on.
You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away, but I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
I was gonna do like a side part as well, but the hair is not dried and it's not straight, so I don't want to be manipulating it and then it starts looking all frizzy and poofy. This is probably one of the softest reddish brown wigs that I have. So pretty. And I also wanted to show you guys how secure the wig is. So you could see it's not lifting up. Even though I have no glue or anything, that's not gonna lift up. This side is a little bit, but it's not going anywhere. I want to do a little hairstyle. Hold on, let me look for some inspiration.
Can't focus on me. want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy or broke, I know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause nothing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me?